Good morning, guys. Looking behind me? Yeah, that's right. We got some 35s. We got some stalkers back there, painted black. And, of course, I'm actually rolling on some tires. That's like 3 sets of tires, 2 sets of wheels. Hopefully, when we come back this way this afternoon, we will be rolling on the black flat base AMG wheels mounted on some 35s. It's going to be cool. And, just wanted to give you guys first impressions of the coilovers after the alignment yesterday. They feel pretty good. I mean, zero off-roading as of yet. But road manners, much better than the first iteration of coilovers that I tried out, the old IS300s. Please don't put IS300 front coilovers on the back of your Mercedes. It does not work out well. They're way too soft. Unless that's all you're doing is off-roading and no towing and nothing like that. They did okay for trail stuff and trail stuff only. But yeah, these feel very well mannered, planted, not jumping all over the place. The back end's not bouncing. I've got maybe a couple 100 pounds of rubber and aluminum in the back